Hi. Okay, this dance is called Angel Herman, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia on June 2022. There are 32 count, 2 walls, improver level line dance. There are 2 restarts and 3 tags. Okay, let's start with the section 1. Side touch, big side, hold, back mambo, half pivot to left. Section 2, step, side touch, diagonally forward, with hip up, down, up. Cross behind, side, cross over. And then side touch, step forward, brush. Section 3, half turn to left, step back, quarter turn to left, step forward. And then step to side, close, hold. And then coaster step, out, hip roll. Okay, section 4, last section, cross shuffle, side touch, close touch, side touch, cross behind, side, recover, and quarter turn to left. Step forward, quarter turn, and recover. Okay, now let me repeat with the count. Section 1, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 2, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Section 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's all the tutorial. I hope you can follow the step. I hope you can you like it. Okay, and thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.